Hello my friends, welcome to Pro Am Strings. I'm Henriette and in this lesson today we are developing our left hand violin technique even further. You may recall in our previous lesson we were practicing how to lift up your fingers. In this lesson today we're practicing how to leave them down and we're going to challenge you a little bit. So get your violin ready and play along with me. We're going to play exercise 77 on page 26 and it's called Technic Trainer number 2. So when you're ready, let's get started. Let's play this through first of all so that we explore what this is all about, and we're playing roughly in the middle of the bow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wonderful, well done, and I don't think you will have much difficulty playing the notes, and that is a good thing because then we can focus on the technique, and that is what we're developing. We always want to get better at playing the violin, don't we? And this is one of those moments where you really want to stop and develop that technique in the right way, and it's going to stand you in good stead for the rest of your violin playing career. So underneath your music you see these horizontal lines, and it's marked 1 and then a long line and 2 and a long line and 3, and they are your fingers that you're leaving down on the string. So whenever you see the line 1, that first finger is staying on the string for the duration of the line. Now that we know that, let's play this exercise again. Let's really work on leaving that finger down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now while you play the D string, leave your first finger on the A string if you can. I'll play bar 2 again. Leave your first finger down and add your second finger, which you then also leave down. Now add the third finger and leave all fingers down. Still everything is down. Now if you noticed that you have lifted up your finger by accident, that is a great thing because you can start to improve once you notice that things are happening. You want to try it again and then leave your fingers down this next playing. Shall we play one more time and just really be aware of what's happening with your fingers? This is your final and best go. So check out your finger line, check out your thumb. Check out that your wrist is nicely pushed out, and this time if you can manage one more extra thing, let's check out that your bowing is not going sideways but is straight. There's all these things to remember, aren't they? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. absolutely awesome work, and you're really working on your technique. Superb. So you're going to be making super progress, and that's what we want, isn't it? We want to make the progress so that you can play all these pieces that you've always wanted to play. So consider becoming a member of Henriette's Violin Club. You know, we've got this membership club that gets you access to priority responses to comments, members only live classes, special emojis and special badges. Do have a look at the video, and you can find it on this channel's homepage, about what membership involves. And I would urge you to seriously consider becoming a member, because you're going to get so much more out of this channel. Thanks very much for watching for today, and I look forward to seeing you in lesson 20. Goodbye.